to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So on today's video we're going for car shopping. Yes guys, it's been a while, and since I had a baby the car we have has become really small, so today we're gonna go find something bigger. I mean, we have been car shopping for a while, but I haven't really videoed it or anything. But today is pretty much the final day we get the car, so I thought I'd show you guys with me. Well, take you guys with me basically and see what we get up to, and if you're interested to see how we get on with the day, let's go. We're just gonna head out now. Appointment is at 2 o'clock. It's like a car dealership that deals with like family cars and stuff like that, so we're gonna go there and see. I've had a car ordered for me from a different city, so yeah, it took a while to get here. It took about 2 weeks or so to get here, so finally it's here. We're gonna go today to go and see the car, and fingers crossed guys, wish us luck that we can get the car, because yes, it's about time to get something bigger. There's the car. I've just been a bit of a test drive, and some colors what I've got before. It's actually really nice. It's so big. Yeah, do you like it? It's bigger than a lot more space. Yes, there's enough leg room. It is.
Just look at our car and look at this one.
Yeah.
This one has a lot of different.
I love the alloy wheels, just so clean. Anyway, yeah, it's lovely. So they're gonna give us a call. I'm gonna quickly feature them. So we ended up in TK Maxx for a quick shopping, just to grab 1 or 2 things. But I thought that my lipstick was just too much out there today. What do you think? But yeah, I had to go because the little one wasn't letting us, do any shopping. So we're just heading out basically, I know it's done here on Beauty Bar. Is it new? I never saw this before. Okay, so let's go. So hi guys, I am at the car dealership and the car is here. We're gonna get it today. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Just waiting for them to finalize the last thing to do, and we're ready to go. Hi guys, so I finally got the car and there it is. Yes!
Hey guys,
we got home not long ago after all the drama that it took. Really a lot of drama was involved, but yes, here we are with the new car. I'm so happy. Came in time for my birthday as well, so more like my birthday gift, thanks to you babe. But yes, I'm gonna make a car tour video. So thumbs this video up if you want to see a car tour video, so I can show you guys and walk you through everything. But this is just a quick
update,
snippet if you like, or quick sneak of the car and the interior and what it looks like. But the car is just, oh, I love it. The driving experience is like, oh yeah, that's like pretty smooth, so nice. But yes, I'm gonna end this video here, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit around before I go ahead and do a full tour video and review as well. So yes, there you go. We just put the car seat on for the van. But yeah, this is a quick look. I am coming with a real quick video to show you guys everything and give you an in-depth review about the car. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, so that's about it guys for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please thumbs it up, and if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button there, and put the bell on, so I'll put, whenever I post a video, you can be updated and have a nice little watch and be part of this growing family. We've got so many contents to put out, so yeah, it will be amazing for you to be part of us as we grow together. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys pretty soon in the next video. Thank you and God bless you. Peace and love. Say bye bye.
Bye.